Although Open RAN has been gaining momentum, it has also faced significant criticism within the industry. One of the most common misconceptions is that the technology lacks commercial readiness, which has led to concerns about its viability compared to traditional vendor-locked solutions. By disaggregating the radio access network, communication services providers, or CSPs, can enjoy greater flexibility, consistency, and innovation. But in the face of some industry criticism, how are Open RAN vendors addressing commercial viability concerns? Two of the ecosystem's leading innovators have come together to offer CSPs a fully tested and validated solution for commercial Open RAN success. The proposal is compelling. Mavenir's award-winning Open vRAN solution brings increased business agility with network elasticity and flexibility in radio access networks, while supporting containerized architecture for 2G, which runs on the same network with 4G and 5G. VMware Telco Cloud Platform RAN, with VMware Telco Cloud Automation, offers a horizontal infrastructure with a cloud-smart automation and orchestration framework that simplifies and accelerates Open RAN cell site deployments from an extensive partner ecosystem of fully tested and validated RAN vendors. Let's now see how VMware and Mavenir pair up to streamline the deployment, management, and operation of distributed RAN sites in production. Our demo environment is an exact replica of a production Open RAN deployment currently in use by a CSP. It is composed of 2 sites equipped with VMware Telco Cloud Platform RAN infrastructure, on which we have deployed Kubernetes clusters using VMware Telco Cloud Automation. The near-edge site hosts an instance of Mavenir's OCU that is connected to a commercial 5G core. Let's turn the cell site operational. The first step in this short journey is the onboarding and instantiation of Mavenir's ODU CNF. The onboarding process is very simple with VMware Telco Cloud Automation. Accessing Network Functions Catalog, we click on Onboard. We provide a name for our CNF, and we select the CSAR file describing Mavenir's DU. That's it. Now let's instantiate this DU on our cell site. From the catalog view, we select the Mavenir ODU function and click Instantiate. We give a name to our DU, and we choose to instantiate it on the previously deployed cell site cluster, selecting the DU node pool within this particular cluster. Then, we parse the location of the Helm charts that will be used to instantiate the DU. And finally, we choose the value files and networking for the instance. As we can see, we need to configure values and networking for the DU and PTP. After a quick review, we click on Instantiate. The first thing we notice during the instantiation is the activation of VMware Telco Cloud Platform's Dynamic Infrastructures Policies feature, which dynamically reconfigures the underlying infrastructure resources based on the requirements of the CNF being deployed. This feature greatly accelerates cell site activation, as it eliminates lengthy node reconfiguration phases. Then we see how, step by step, VMware Telco Cloud Automation brings up Mavenir's DU components, while conducting all the necessary instantiation checks to ensure that any issues are promptly detected. The console view provides another visualization of the DU instantiation process. Here we see that in just a matter of minutes, the DU is up and running. VMware Telco Cloud Automation confirms that Mavenir's DU has been successfully instantiated on the cell site. The entire process has taken less than 3 minutes. Now let's prove that this new cell site is fully operational. We are going to activate the 5G radio interface and register a device. Through a command line console, we activate the radio interface. After a few seconds, the radio channels are up and running. We are now ready to register our phone. We disable airplane mode, and we see how after a few seconds, the phone is registered to the network. Let's try to access VMware's homepage. Done. The cell site is fully operational. Now for comparison purposes, let's see how we would deploy a DU using a manual process. As we take a look at the accelerated video recording of this process, we see the overwhelming number of operations needed to deploy just a single network function. Now imagine how intensive the deployment process of 50 or 100 cell sites would be. The end result shows that it took almost 22 minutes to manually instantiate a single DU, and that was without committing errors. Something that with VMware Telco Cloud Automation can be done in less than 3 minutes and at scale. To summarize, in this demo, we have seen how with the Mavenir Open vRAN solution, running on VMware Telco Cloud Platform RAN, a CSP can deploy fully operational Open RAN cell sites at scale and in a matter of minutes. The results are clear. Mavenir and VMware's collaboration demonstrates the commercial readiness of Open RAN technology, while offering a proven and innovative answer for CSPs looking to maximize the value of their 5G network transformation.